Hi everybody! We are learning a new digraph. We've already learned digraphs such as ch and sh, a. But today we are looking at a new digraph. The digraph is E. One E makes the sound E for elephant or egg, but two E's together make the sound E. Can you make the sound E? Very good. The sound E is in words like tree and seed, sweep and cheese, queen and sweet. Now I would like you to say them. Can you say the word tree, seed, sweep, cheese, queen and sweet? Excellent, good job. Now that you know two E's together make the E sound, let's try and read some words. Can you read them before I tell you the answers? Let's start. Eat, eat. Did you say feet? Let's try another one. B, E, B, E. Did you read the word bee? Good job. Let's try another one. S, E, S, E. What do you think the word is? Do you think it's C? You're right. Let's try another. Sh, E, P. Sh, E, P. Do you read sheep? Excellent. One more. G, R, in. Green. Green. Awesome reading. Now, let's read some sentences with the E words in them. I'll read them and then you can repeat after me. The mouse ate all the cheese. The tree grew from a tiny seed. The queen sneezed. The monster's feet were smelly and green. Great reading. Now, can you think of a sentence using some E words? Complete the activity your teacher has set for you and remember to send in all your completed work. Okay, have a great day. Bye.